This is my Pandas tutorial video. So we'll start with the Pandas installation. First of all, we will see why we need Pandas and what is Pandas. So Pandas is basically a Python library which is used for data analysis, and it is really magical library because it can easily handle big data, and we can easily perform many data manipulation tasks using it. um, it has some inbuilt functions, so that we could easily cleanse the data, remove any junk value or unwanted details, and we can easily um, make data more readable. We can manipulate data and explore the insights through it. It has the crux of NumPy and Matplotlib, so that we can use most of the features easily. And apart from that, uh, we mostly use it for data analysis purpose. So let's see how we do that. First, we will start with installation of Pandas. So here is the simple command. This is pip install Pandas. With this simple command, you can easily install Pandas. Here I have Pandas in my system, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. You can run this command in your terminal, and it will easily install the Pandas latest version for you. And now we will import Pandas. So basically what happens when we import any library, so any function related to it would be attached to that particular library name. Like in Pandas, if we want to call any function, so we will have to access it like pandas dot read CSV function to read a CSV file. CSV file is mostly used to for data, for storing our data in form of spreadsheet, like an Excel spreadsheet. So if we want to access this function, we have to write pandas dot read underscore CSV. So in order to not write again and again pandas, we will simply replace it with the smaller form PD. So we used as PD. Here you will write PD read CSV, and we'll simply give the name of any file. Like I have already created a sample file, so here is a sample dot CSV. If this will only work if the file is in the same location where your this Jupyter notebook or your Python file is located. If you have stored it in some other location, you have to specify the path for it. So this will be assigned to some variable. So I'm going to like name a variable simple um, like sample file. And so the now we are getting some sort of data from this CSV file in form of data frame. So what is data frame? Data frame is basically a two-dimensional data structure in Python, which is like mostly used in all our data analysis and machine learning stuff. It is just like a table, what we see in SQL with rows and columns, or an Excel spreadsheet is just like that, but with a lot of functions. So now we will print it with a function head function. So basically it will print the top 5 rows. So let's see what we have here. So this is my sample data, and here you can see that with this simple command you can easily access any of your CSV file, and then you can print it. This is a very short video, so I will only show this much about data frame. But data frame has a lot of features, and we can do a lot with it. For that I will make another detailed video. So stay tuned and please like, share, and subscribe. Do subscribe to my channel. I need your support. Thank you guys. Bye.